Are you the person who loves crafting and looking for a place where you can purchase all your art and craft materials under one single roof? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Devapriya and you're watching KANYA Art and Craft. So coming to the video, today I'm going to share a small tour of one of the branches of Itsy Bitsy, which is located in Bangalore. And since Christmas is around the corner, so I made few purchases. I'll also be sharing the products that I purchased from Itsy Bitsy. And there's something more for you, so keep watching. Itsy Bitsy has 36 stores pan-India. In Bangalore itself, they have 10 branches in different areas and all the stores are packed with products. So the store that I visited this time is located in BEL Rd near Ramaiah Hospital. As you can see in the video, the store is just opposite to the HP petrol pump. I'll also include the exact address in the description box below. So if you're in Bangalore, you should definitely check out this store. It is India's largest hobby art and craft store chain where you can shop for art and craft materials and various items for your school projects as well. They have a wide variety of collection. I cannot emphasize more when I say this store is crafter's dream. Though this is not my first visit, मैं इससे पहले बहुत बार Itsy Bitsy जा चुकी हूँ and each time I visit Itsy Bitsy, I just go crazy. All of their branches are packed with products, starting from different types of paper, drawing sheets, sketching pad, canvas, easel, acrylic paints, oil paints, watercolor, chalk paints, crayon, modeling clay, different types of tools, brushes, resin art materials, candle making materials, soap making materials, different types of stones and beads, then jewelry making materials, quilling products, stencils, MDF cutouts, MDF chipboard, natural wooden slice, and many different craft supplies like bamboo sticks, dried flowers, small wooden slices, dried branches, macrame cord, thread, frames. I mean everything. You just name it and this store has it. Then they also have A to Z party essentials. And the best part is, हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऑफर चलता ही रहता है based on various occasions. They too have an online store where you can order things directly, as well as they also have a number of workshops listed on their website. I'll also include link of their website in the description box below. You should definitely check it out. And because Christmas is just around the corner, they have set aside a special area for Christmas decorations, starting with different designs of ready-made wreath, small cardboard Christmas trees, different sizes of Santa Claus and snowman, then different designs of Christmas ornaments, small decorative pieces, decorative paper, handmade embellishment, Christmas special DIY kits, MDF cutouts, and they also have this really cute deers with string light attached to it. I was blown away by their collection this year. If you need something for your Christmas decoration at the last minute, you should definitely go to their store. And as you can see in the video, they also have this really cute battery operated Christmas special toys, mainly for gifting purpose. And the price range for all the products are quite reasonable. Okay, so now let's start with the hauls. This is what I purchased. So there's a lot of things inside. Let me just show you one by one. Okay, so this is one Christmas standing tree, pearl metallic 3D outliner. So I bought the whole box of this because I need this a lot. Then next is this wooden stand. Then the next thing that I bought is the most requested one actually. I got a lot of queries regarding this stand. So I bought two of this. This is metal. Price is 379. And मैंने इसका दो दिया है. ये प्लास्टिक का है. Since it's a metal one, so इसका built up थोड़ा सा sturdy है. इसमें आप हैवी चीजें भी रख सकते हो. और ये जो है छोटा सा, इसका प्राइस है 149 में. लाइक ऐसा कुछ अगर हो ना तो इसको आप ऐसे वाले लाइक 8 इंच साइज तक या मे बी 10 इंच साइज तक आप इसमें प्लेस कर सकते हो, नॉट मोर देन दैट. और इसमें आप काफी बड़े साइज लाइक 12-14 इंच तक भी आप इसमें प्लेस कर सकते हो. Okay, so the next thing is this फैब्रिक्रिल नियॉन कलर. इसमें 4 कलर्स अवेलेबल होते हैं और सारे ही कलर बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट होता है. Okay, so the next thing that I've purchased is a painting brush holder. I know the main purpose of this brush holder is to hold brushes, but मेरे पास जितने सारे brushes हैं, I need a whole big size bucket to hold all of them. तो obviously इसमें तो वो brushes आएंगे नहीं. So I thought of using this brush holder in a different way. Sure, you can relate to this. तो क्या होता है ना कि जब भी मैं पेंटिंग करती हूँ, I need a lot of brushes. और जब भी वो brushes wet रहते हैं और मैं कहीं पे भी रखती हूँ ना, that area gets so much messy. तो उसके लिए I found a solution that I'll use this brush holder to keep those wet brushes. It will obviously help me to keep my area clean. And वो जो एक्स्ट्रा कलर्स होते हैं ब्रश में वो कहीं और जगह पे भी नहीं लगे. This is one must-have thing in your studio अगर आप पेंटिंग हमेशा करते हो तो. Next thing that I bought a few chalk paints, different shades of chalk paints, and decor varnish gloss medium जो usually हम किसी भी पेंटिंग या क्राफ्ट के ऊपर वार्निश करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. So this one I prefer most because इसका gloss बहुत अच्छा देता है and this lasts for a long time. So the next thing is this gold marker. Then मैंने कुछ colored paper लिया. I'll use this in some of my craft maybe. And I bought this green color fabric specially for Christmas decor. The next thing is this handmade embellishment. And next there are some foam shades in different color. इससे आप बहुत सारे टाइप के DIYs बना सकते हो. I bought this 3 different designs of floral deco transfer sheet. So the next thing is this 2 stencil. I wanted to take this 2 design from a long time. Price for one piece is 250. But usually इसमें हमेशा offers कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता ही है.
Now let's start with our DIY. Here I'm taking this MDF standing tree and using this chalk paints from Itsy Bitsy little birdie. First I'm applying this green color using a flat brush, also covering the corner with the same shade. Now applying this red color using a flat brush again. Covering the base using the same red color. Now I'm applying few white dots on the green part and then I'll draw some snowflakes on the red part. Applying white dot on the border of the star. This is how it looks. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now I'll attach it to the base. Moving to our next DIY, here I have taken a plastic bottle and a piece of aluminium foil. Crumple up using your hand like this and place it on the top part of the bottle. Add some glue to stick it properly. Removing all the sticker from the bottle and then applying red color using a sponge. Here I am using Shape It Air Dry Clay from Little Birdie. Mixing both the components together and then placing it on the top part of the bottle to form a round shape. Press gently using your hand like this to give it a shape. And then I'm using a little amount of talcum powder to give a smooth finish. Taking some more clay, rolling it to give it a cylindrical shape. Then applying glue and sticking them. Applying flesh tint shade. Applying red color on the hand. Taking a glitter foam sheet and cutting it into half. Now cutting some cotton, applying glue on the edges and sticking the strand of cotton following the glue line and then applying hot glue on the corner and giving it a shape like a cap. Placing a piece of clay on the center and then drawing the eyes. Now applying some glue on the cap and sticking it. Applying some glue on the chin part and then sticking this piece of cotton. Adding 2 more pieces of cotton near the nose. Adding some strand of cotton on the sleeve part as well. And our DIY Santa is ready to rock. Now it's time to arrange everything together. This video was created in collaboration with Itsy Bitsy, but the reviews that I've shared in this video are from my personal experience. And I have also shared all the required details in the description box below. This is how our final Christmas DIY corner looks like. Isn't it looking pretty? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon to get notification of our upcoming projects. That's all for today. See you in our next video. Bye bye.